Crystals are captivating. Their beauty and mystery have fascinated people for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern times, crystals have held a special place in human history. Today, more and more people are discovering the allure of crystals. They are drawn to their energy, beauty, and potential for healing. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting to explore, the world of crystals offers something for everyone. Crystals are believed to possess unique vibrations that can influence our energy and well-being. They can be used for meditation, healing, or simply to enhance the energy of your home. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of crystals and discover their magic. Crystals are natural wonders formed deep within the earth. They are created over millions of years through a fascinating process of crystallization. As molten rock cools and solidifies, atoms arrange themselves in repeating patterns, giving birth to these stunning formations. Each crystal variety has a unique chemical composition and structure, which determines its color, shape, and properties. For instance, amethyst, with its captivating purple hue, gets its color from trace amounts of iron. Quartz, known for its clarity, is composed purely of silicon dioxide. The diversity of crystals is truly remarkable, each one a testament to the Earth's creative power. Crystals are believed to interact with our energy fields, promoting balance and well-being. While scientific evidence for crystal healing is still emerging, many people experience tangible benefits from incorporating crystals into their lives. Different crystals are associated with specific properties and chakras, the energy centers in our bodies. For example, rose quartz is associated with love and compassion, while amethyst is believed to promote tranquility and intuition. By working with crystals, we can tap into their unique vibrations to support our emotional, mental, and spiritual growth. Section 4. Exploring the crystal rainbow. The world of crystals offers an abundance of choices, each with its own unique energy and purpose. Let's explore some popular crystals and their uses. Amethyst. Known for its calming and intuitive energy, amethyst is often used for meditation and stress relief. Rose quartz. This pink crystal embodies love, compassion, and forgiveness. It can be used to attract love or heal emotional wounds. Clear quartz. Often called the master healer, clear quartz amplifies energy and intention. It can be used to enhance the properties of other crystals. Citrine. This vibrant yellow crystal is associated with abundance, prosperity, and joy. Tiger's eye. Known for its grounding and protective qualities, tiger's eye can enhance courage and confidence. This is just a glimpse into the vast and fascinating world of crystals. As you explore further, you'll discover countless other crystals, each with its own unique energy and purpose. Section 5. Your crystal journey begins. Choosing and caring for crystals is an intuitive process. Here are some simple tips to guide you. Choosing crystals. Trust your intuition when selecting crystals. Let your hands hover over the crystals and see which ones resonate with you. Cleansing crystals. Crystals can absorb energy from their surroundings. It's important to cleanse them regularly using methods like running water, sunlight, or moonlight. Activating crystals. Once cleansed, you can activate your crystals by holding them in your hands, setting an intention, or meditating with them. Remember, the most important aspect of working with crystals is to approach them with respect and an open mind. Section 6. Embrace the magic of crystals. The world of crystals is a journey of discovery and wonder. As you delve deeper, you'll uncover hidden meanings, connect with your intuition, and unlock the transformative power of these natural treasures. Embrace the journey and let the magic of crystals guide you on your path to well-being and self-discovery.